Dora, as I said, was a product of the Mikhoels Theater in Moscow. And, Mikhoels was murdered in a horrible way in the late 40s. And all his disciples were devastated by that. And, they spread throughout the world. But all of them, I think, I've met a few, were very, very devoted to his legacy because apparently he was such a giant of a personality and a great director and a great actor and I guess he had studied with Stanislavski and personally and he had so much of a vision of a big theater and a mass scene theater and beautiful sets and Chagall and this and that. So that's what Dora brought to Montreal. Dora started in Montreal as the director of children's theater at the Jewish Public Library. Not because she was relegated to that, but just because she came to Montreal, Medalf Episton. Got to do something. You got to take the boat, I'll go to the library, we'll do something. We'll get some kids together, we'll make some theater. Okay, and it suddenly happened, and it happened every week, and kids would come and play and perform Yiddish theater and different plays, and then she got involved with some older young people, former teachers, graduates of the Volksschule, and she started the Yiddish drama group of, it was I think in the early 60s. And she did plays, original plays that were not from the Yiddish theater repertoire, but that were translated or written for her or whatever. She did Chana Senesh, which was a big, big success in Montreal. And then she did another group, which I belonged to at the Jewish Public Library of young people. And this was the group that she hung out with, right? This our group that, we'd go out and we'd party Friday nights, we'd meet together, we'd do some rehearsing, and then we'd go eat salami and have a schnapps, and then, and come home at 4 in the morning.